Ants coming through windows can be super annoying, but you can totally stop them with a few simple tricks that actually work. First off, make sure you install weather stripping around your windows to block those tiny gaps where ants sneak in. Next, grab some caulk and seal any cracks or holes around your window frames because those little spaces are like open doors for ants. Spraying insecticide around the outside perimeter of your windows helps create a barrier ants won't cross. You can also put ant bait stations near your windows. The ants take the bait back to their colony, which can help wipe them out. Keep your windows clean and free from food crumbs or sugary residue because ants are attracted to that stuff. Trim any tree branches or plants touching your windows since ants often use those as highways straight inside. If you notice ant trails near your windows, wipe them away with soapy water to erase the chemical path they leave behind. Lastly, check your screens for holes and fix or replace them to keep ants from squeezing through. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ants coming through windows is ignoring the small cracks and gaps, which lets the problem keep coming back. Just sealing those gaps properly fixes this for good. Another common issue is not using bait stations and just spraying insecticides. Sprays might kill the ants you see but don't reach the colony, so bait is key to a long-term solution. Third, some folks forget to keep the area clean and free of food scraps or sugary drinks near windows, which just keeps attracting ants, so regular cleaning is a must to stop them from hanging around. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors to help with sealing windows or pest control. It also helps contractors get more work by connecting them with people who really need their services.